most of the leads that we acquire and the traffic that we acquire from the ads will end up getting elsewhere. Now, for instance, somebody clicks your ad on, maybe you are advertising a BNB and you don't have a landing page for your BNB. Chances this lead won't even reach to your bottom of the funnel. Basically, this may be WhatsApp, and you'll be giving Meta your money, and at the end of the day, no conversion. So, having said that, I will introduce Joseph to take you through creating a high converting landing page, and we shall be covering two businesses. One is Kitchen Powerhouse Delights, all the way from Nigeria, and we have Escape to Giftland from Kenya. So, Joseph, you can take over.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Robert. And thank you all for creating time to join us for this session. As Robert has said, we've done 2 sessions where we focused on meta ads. There's still definitely more to unpack there, but we thought of crossing over to landing pages. We also included videos because, as a bonus, let me just say that. So, and today, as you've heard, we'll be covering Kitchen Powerhouse Delight from Nigeria. That's our friends from the western part of Africa, and Escape to Giftland, East Africa representing, of course. Yeah, and welcome all. Let's get ready. I'll quickly do the overview, and then Duncan last time was to present. Today he's an expert in landing pages, websites, so he will feature prominently today. And then Lawrence, another digital marketer, will do the videos, but we said that's a bonus. We will see how that goes. So let me quickly, for me today, I'm doing the overview. I'll probably, my main role today is I'll be processing the questions as they come in the chat. There I'll be handling the chat. So two case studies: Kitchen Powerhouse Delight, Escape to Giftland. So of course, Kitchen Powerhouse is about household items, and then Escape to Giftland is about gifts. It's a category that has become very prominent with the online commerce and all that. I think previously it wasn't a big one, but as we know, online has just amplified everything for us, every other business, every other category, and that is good because it creates job opportunities, and things just become, there's more opportunities for us. But what I would call, what's the anatomy of a good landing page, of an excellent one, a high converting one for that matter? You need a clear headline and value proposition. When you talk of value proposition, we normally talk it of it as unique value proposition. So, or unique selling point. What differentiates you from the other people who are offering what the same thing you're offering? So then, compelling visuals, strong call to actions, you need social proof, and we all exist in the mobile phone, so we need to optimize it for mobile. For the social post video formula, which is, we want our video to go viral. We've all seen those viral videos. What makes a good video, an excellent one, a high converting one? First 3 seconds is about the hook. You have to pinpoint a pain, which then somebody will relate. Oh, I'm going through this. Let me hear what the solution would be, and then you showcase the solution, and then again you social proof, and then tell them what they need to do after watching video. You can tell them, go to the website for more information, or call this number, or pay here and here. When you look at these two landing page video, you realize it's the same thing. how you build a great landing page and how you create a great video. It's the same thing. It's I hope it more like a headline anyway. Problem, pain point. It's about what is value proposition. You know, so it's the same kind of it's the same. Every every excellent piece of um, marketing content is follows the same formulas. And this is the things we, with all these trainings, we want everybody so that it's, you're not starting from an empty page every time. So definitely we'll build a landing page for Kitchen Powerhouse, and then a landing page for Escape to Giftland, and then a video for each. So let's see if we can before the by the top of the hour we can create high converting marketing assets. So I will welcome Duncan, our web design expert. Uh, Duncan, the floor is yours finally. Let's see what you got for us.
All right. Hope you can hear me clearly.
Yeah, sure.
We can, but we don't mind you raising your volume a little bit.
All right. I've been around for. This is the watching session. The third one in this setup, and I think because I've been around behind the scenes. I know we've been just building up into all this ecosystem about how to make your business stand out online, and also how to convert customers while at it. So I think Joseph has touched into the core of the basics of it, how you need how and why you need converting landing page. Everything has to be really optimized to make the customer journey easy, and also at least optimized for them being able to reach you and check out and buy that service. So today we'll create, rather build a landing page for the 2 case studies as mentioned. Of course, while at it will be able to pick a few things and see how everyone can take something home. And also, for that matter, you should also be able to create or come up with a landing page. Usually call it a landing page because it's basically you really try to craft your message in one page, but it can still serve as a website, of course, because you can talk about your business in that single page. But traditionally, it's what has been called a landing page, but still, it's a fully fledged website, so to say. So I'll head over to, let me share my screen that we can get started and have a feel of what's in the kitchen. So we'll also expect feedback from you, any input, how you feel about everything. Because we also making the platform better for you each and every day. Of course, we'll be launching more and more agents, more and more features. For your businesses. Yeah, so you head over to Ndovesha.com. That's the website. Just get the link. I have someone who can share the link in the chat for those who want to check out as we continue.
Do that, Duncan. Just press.
Yeah. So I'll I log in. I mean, a lot is in here. A lot is in here. As you can see, we have the ready agents. Also, we have the ones which are coming soon. So just a lot to now. Ndovesha is able to make your business standard. So I'll so for me, I can log in. I can sign up, but even accounts, I'll just simply log in and we get straight into it, see what we can create today and what we can pick from there. So logged in. So this is the main dashboard. I mean the main chat. This is a control HQ for the chat. So here you can select the different agents. We have 7 right now, which are ready for you. The rest, I mean, so many of them coming soon, and we also now making the ones which are ready better for you. So, so I'll be interested in the landing page agent. So I simply select it. Let me close this banner. Yeah. So, I simply need to tell the agent what my business is all about, the name, then of course give a few other things like the font, the logo, and the business description. From there, I'm able to get the landing page I want, or rather a landing page where I can now be quick further and maybe of course like things like of course the images you might want to use custom images, which is of course very common. So those ones you can always add and have the agent step them for you in the sections you need. Yeah. So let me pick the information for the first bit. So it's a kitchen powerhouse. Just pick it, and then I tell the agents to create for me a landing page for business with details below. So these just paste them already. So of course, the core of it is that you should be able to actually just tell it to create a landing page for you, because things like the business details, the brand colors, the logo, there are things you can set right here in the settings. So like this one, I mean, this one is just for test purposes, but actually you have the logo for Kitchen Power, so we'll make use of it. So if you are, I mean, on your account, you can really just set up everything for your brand, and you'll just be giving it the details you want. Then it's able to fit the colors, the font, and the logo for you. So so we go with because we are in different scenarios today, we can just give everything in the chat, and then we'll tell chat to go see what we get in the first request. So basically, the agent will definitely be looking at the information you've given. Of course, now mix everything, the colors, and now craft the different sections of the page. And now from there, mostly you'll have to, of course, as I said, the images you can tweak, the messaging, things like contacts, things like where actually now the CTS, like if maybe my button says order now, I think, and I find WhatsApp very useful when it comes to like now ensuring people or other visitors are able to really land into your inbox easily. So if you just give the agent your WhatsApp number, it gets you a link for your WhatsApp inbox, and anyone checking out your website will be able to land in your inbox, in your WhatsApp easily. And now, of course, now the good thing with the landing page is that you are really able to give as much info as you can, such that you're sure this person who is reaching out through whatever WhatsApp channel, they really have understood you are offering your product, and they are landing there to actually get just head over there and come to the decision is already made, so they just come in my box to probably just ask a few questions, and then uh, they make the purchase, which is the core of every other business. So I think we should be almost there. Yeah, we are there actually. So you see what chat has given us. Just for the full view, share this tab. So I think you can see
Yeah.
yeah, you can see that. Let me just confirm. Yeah, so this is what we've produced for kitchen powerhouse. You can see we have mint hero section. We have the hero section. Well done. Can just go down further and see. Like for example, if I want my get maybe to go to probably WhatsApp, I just need to give the chat the WhatsApp number. Yeah, you can see very well outlined the balancing of the theme colors we gave, and I think it's a nice job how we work. Again, the business starts. We have the equipment here again. I think it's quite some. Well arranged for I would say for such a business. So by the time even you also have the FAQs here, which you can still customize further for your own use case. Yeah, so I think it's done quite a good job. So I think what we can do, let's I'll share the link. Of course, we'll be publishing the page, the landing page for you to have a feel, and then I'll share it in the. Sorry, stop sharing. Let me go back to chat. So we'll publish the page right here, and you'll be able to see even on mobile and everything how it feels, and yeah, we see. So I want to post already at the logo. I can simply that we see. We can probably change the hero, this hero image here. Probably can put an oven, and then also we also attach our logo, the exact logo for, because I think for kitchen powerhouse we have a logo. Some point, so we can add the logo and also change the hero image. So I'll just do that. So what I need to do is I think we already have the logo here, so we should be able to pick it instead of upload. Yeah. So just tell chat use my logo. It's my logo in the desktop menu. Remove the name because I need to that between it clear so that it doesn't put both of them. The name and also use the search image in the hero section. You see how best you can make use of it. So I'll pick the image, edit somewhere. Yeah, the image is here. So and then allow us to make the edit. Yeah, so till just now change whatever we hit and adjust as per the instructions. Let we see what comes up. Yeah, so for anything which you're not given in the first prompt, you can always just set it up and you get your changes effected in a short time. So let's get that done. You can sip your coffee. We should be almost there. Yeah, so after we get the final, now once you are done getting your final page output, you simply need to get your domain, connect, and launch. You are good to go. gives you everything, whatever SSL and all that. So your site is just, you go live like instantly, and you can have visitors find you and actually interact with your website on your brand's domain. So we will be seeing that shortly. Should be done. Yeah, finalizing. So just hope we don't have a presentation class today. It's done actually. Yeah, so it's done. So let's get actually this one we can just proceed to publish. I mean, we can just have a preview, just see what I think for the second business will just be going direct to the so let's see what it's done. Share this tab. So you can see the updated tab. Yeah, you can see we picked the logo. I mean, the logo for K2D is not a bit, but at least it's, I mean, if the logo has to be, it's not really, but at least you can see the brand as identity. We've also added the, so if you have your product image, you just tell it to record for you in particular, any particular section, and you have it there. Like for this one, we've added this should be a commercial oven. I mean, if yeah, so we have the oven there. Yeah, I think so everything else, of course, remains the same because we are only editing that part, and yeah, and then we're good to go. So I just go back to the chart again so that we can publish. Sorry, I keep that pop-up keeps, of course, closing the main chart. So we'll publish so that now we can have a feel of the site in. Yeah, so this was just the feedback from the image, I mean, from that prompt. So I'll publish the page, the website that is. So, I mean, first of all, you're getting a temporary URL in case you don't have a custom domain. So that now you can probably be sharing that. But okay, once you publish, yeah, you get it live in, you are given, okay, for this one is kitchen.site.ndovesha.ai. So you can use these URLs to actually, let me just share the link in the chat to actually already get going because your site is live. So so now the only other bit you need to do is if you have your you just view the page and share that tab, share this tab instead. So you can see, so whatever now you are viewing is live. It's a link you can use to have your visitors find you. So the other thing you need to do is now, if you have you have your domain existing, like maybe this one, it could be something like kitchen, what was the name? Kitchen can be something like kitchenpowerhouse.com or .ng or .co.k. Then once you put the connection in there, you see, just enter your domain there. Now you are able to. I mean, these are DNS, they're very straightforward. Plug and play, you just enter the records and then you are actually the propagation is mostly instant and you'll have your site live in when you are now in the internet with your own branded domain. So yeah, so that's how you simply walk through the whole process and you're able to actually get your website live. I've shared the link in the chat. You can have a feel, the mobile view and all that, and always you can drop the questions in the chat and we'll be able to look at them towards the end of the session. So so for any questions, just keep them coming in the chat. So we'll also do the landing page for the next business. Just that one is just walk to and see. The other business is escape to Giftland. So I'll also do the same pick. I'm not sure we add a logo for this one. So it's only my turn to go with any, but I'm not sure whether we'd be able to.
Saying on the chat, I see saying she has shared.
Share
Robert, can we?
Minute I share with you
you can
guys.
share. I can just share. I set it up so that we can have a feel of it.
Yes, I'm sharing in 1 minute,
Okay.
30 seconds. I've shared with you. You can check.
Okay. So I think. Okay. All right. Let me pick it to set it up. So. Okay. All right. Just need to set it up in the. Okay. I need to do a few. It's there. So yeah, just a minute. Get it going. So I need to link, just resize it a bit for it to pop. So, so I'll also add it in the brand settings. Just a minute, I'm almost there.
Dan, somebody is saying you can't see your screen.
Oh, stop sharing. Oh, sorry. It's because I was on the desktop. Yeah, let me reshare. Okay. I was on the desktop. I believe that's why. Okay, now because you already have the logo already, I just need to save it. Just do the same process you've done with the. You just only need to add the logo. The rest is just remain as is because that's what. Click escape to gift. Okay. So you can also set the. I think we did. For do we have any? Or the brand color is pink. Okay, because it doesn't have the.
It's pink, maroonish, and white.
You can just give those ones in the chat. Let's just have the logo only. That's okay. Problem. Should have it saved. Yeah. So okay. So let me now give chat the rest of the instructions. So select the landing page agent and create a landing page. Details. Escape to Gippsland. Font. I think the font was also not defined, but we have its description. I think this one is good to go. So same drill. Let's chat cook and see also what we get for escape to gift. Yeah, for kitchen delight, if you're in the house, you can be looking at the site and rate it. See what we've managed to do for your brand. From there, I think something you can just easily pick, and with adding the few more details, you are good to go. So sip some coffee. A good thing for this one might not take check because we've exhausted how everything interacts with the in the agent with the first brand. I think should be almost there. So another thing also with Ndovesha, of course, you actually from your dashboard you're able to track you can see your website visits. You can track your traffic again and know how it's going. I think it's set. We didn't tell you to use the logo, but no problem. So you can see what we've gotten. Let me sharing this tab again. So share this tab instead. So this is what we've gotten for Escape to Giftland. Again, the image is not the very very spot on, very correct, but as we said, we can always adjust and set up the correct one through through chatting. We'll do that even for the logo, but you can see the balancing of everything is very well done, from the colors to the hero section. I mean, everything is very straightforward. I mean, this is a site you can really come in and know exactly what this business does. Yeah, I think it's also done a very nice job on the categories for the different occasions. Yeah, I think some good work. So how we work to personalize, deliver your gift. The customer again now the business I would say portfolio numbers, the customer testimony. These ones you can always definitely customize them to your own to your exact customer testimonials. Yeah, again, so this one is also because depending also on the depending also on the kind of business model, the business type, it also gives you different sections. Like for this one, it's like Escape to Gift also is doing different packages for different kinds of gifting. So it has given you some nice pricing packages to start off, but you can always remove or add them to be exact, again the FAQs, and you're good to go. So yeah, I think also a nice job for the same. So we can I think because we still have enough time, you can also run the same 34. So you can also run the same so that you can publish the page. You can also run the sorry I keep disconnecting and I come back to chat. So we can also do the same. Try to add a cast. I think I have an image for gifts in my local. So I can change the hero image and also ensure the logo is affixed to the top bar. So same, very easy. Same instructions. So just use my logo at the top bar. Remove the name because it doesn't overlay in it, but you don't go back and forth. And also use the attached image in the hero section. So let me click the image, add one for this. Here we have one there. So we allow it to do the edit, and now with publish, and you'll be able to see the live site. So it should be it should have the changes implemented in so just allow it to make to do the cooking. Yeah, so so that's basically how to navigate around Ndovesha and get good uh, get a landing page, a website for your business, where you can easily showcase any product. So even for products which are pictorial, anything, services, anything will can be done here. And that one definitely means more for the business. So I hope you'll be trying it out after this. So would be almost done. So for this one, I'll just publish and I'll share the link in the chat for us to be checking through. Yes, Lawrence does the videos. Almost there. All right, so let's see. You have the logo. I can see the logo is appended already. So let me just go direct to publishing so that we can have a feel of the site. So you can see, of course, now the other steps are just connecting the domain as we did with the other sites. So escape to let's see. So let's view the page with the updated. Yeah, so you can see it has picked the brand logo, changed the image. Again, now looks even better with now the new kind of packaging. Of course, now this one is portable depending on the business. So yeah, and the site is live and ready to use. So the good thing in Ndovesha, of course, we want to make any change, you just make it, and it is deployed. Immediately to your live domain without having to really change anything again. So yeah. So I've also shared the link to this new site, to the second site. You can have a look and rate it, share your feedback. So yeah. I think I can stop at that point to allow Lawrence to also do something. So check out Ndovesha.ai, sign up, see what you can what magic you can do with it. Yeah, so thank you so much. We're expecting your queries, so I'll take it back to Joseph, control center, so that we can move on to the next one. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Duncan, for that. That's really quite impressive. I normally tell, we've worked with a lot of SMEs, and one of the biggest bottlenecks to SMEs going online properly and being positioned online properly, it's the web designer. I think the web designer has been a big bottleneck. And I think AI now is really killing that bottleneck, because you don't need, you can imagine just updating like something like putting, like they has done the logo and they're changing the hero section. You have to call the designer and then tell them I'm very busy. Probably might take two months. But yeah, it's taking like 3 minutes and you're good to go. And the business owner themselves can actually do the change. Like you don't, like the bottlenecks that were existing previously are not going. So as SMEs, as businesses, we have no excuse now to really build proper businesses, because the cost centers and the bottlenecks and the friction points are out. So anyway, I don't want to talk much. Lawrence, I know Ndovesha admin, I think you can, the floor is yours. Show us what you got.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction and the overview. Robert also. Duncan for the presentation. It's like magic. It's like we're seeing magic happen right now, that you can actually have a landing page without, having to write the the HTML and all that. So I think Duncan, before I present, I think I was able to talk to Isn't the kitchen powerhouse Delight. She didn't manage to join, but I was able to share the link with her as you finished and shared some questions.
Mhm.
You can just address them before I think I do my presentation. So she's asked if she can use the website to run ads. Also, like, can I insert the pixel on it? I think we'll just read the way here. Can I use this to run ads? Like, can I insert pixel on it? I think that's basically what she's asked.
Yeah.
I think you can address before you proceed.
Yeah, yes to both. You can use it or it to of course run ads. Simply you need to just now chatting the agent to add the CTA to go to whatever destination, be it WhatsApp, just the phone number. And then now for the pixel, of course, pixel is usually public as an ID, so you can just give the pixel to chat and it'll add for you in the appropriate section. So yeah, so it's possible. Actually, it's ready to use. Actually, the site as it usually gives you a final ready to use site. Yeah. So
okay. So
we also add contacts and all that, a few other things, contact details.
Okay. So I'll just go into it. I want to do a short video for let's say TikTok or even a reel for Instagram. I don't need to come to your shop to to capture the the footages and all that. I mean, we have AI right now has the capabilities to to generate the videos, and Ndovesha has it right now, and that's what I'll do right now for these two businesses. I think I'll do one video, then I'll do one image. For the escape to gift, I'll do a video, a short video for TikTok or even a reel. So I'll just think I'll share my screen. I'll share my screen, then I can show you how we'll go about it. So yeah, so I'll just go to Ndovesha.ai. I think Joseph shared the link. Okay. And I'll just log in here with my email because I have an account. So yeah, my name is Lawrence. It's not Ndovesha admin. So I'm in, and I'll just come here and select the agent I want to use. And for this case, I'm going to use the social media post video, and I'll just click on that agent. And here I'm supposed to input my prompt. So it just come here. I think I had something here. Just pick this one that describes this particular business and paste it here. Create a TikTok promotional video for gifting brand called Escape to Gift. Show beautiful pink themed gift boxes and and all that. Then I'll just click on generate, and let's see what it gives us here. I think right now everything is, everything is possible when it comes to digital marketing with AI. You can create images, you can create videos, even product photography. I mean, it's quite very easy right now. You don't have to invest so much on some of these things. I mean, just you knowing how to talk to such an agent makes it easy for you as a business owner, as a social media manager, even marketing head. And so let's see what we'll have here. Let's give it a few seconds. Uh, it should be finalizing. I think we have our video ready. So I think let me just stop presenting and present again so that can be able to see. Able to hear even the sound. Okay. There you go. That's just a short one. We're working on a longer version of the videos. It has added some logo here, but I mean you can just overlay your own logo here, just talking to the agent. So that's basically a short video. That you can post as a reel, as a TikTok. I mean, then just for the other business, I'll do an image because we want also to see how we can use the actual image for this business. So and just come back here and start a new chat for a social media post. I'm gonna pick a small description about this business. Gonna paste it here. Social post. Just pick some. Just gonna also have the guidelines here. Let me pick the colors, deep purple and white. Also the font. So let me proceed and tell it to generate before I actually pick the logo. Okay. So let's give it some time here. We're generating a social media post for Kitchen Powerhouse. Let's see what it gives us. In the meantime, I can be downloading the logo. We have the image here. We have a social media post here, and you can just see it here. Reliable kitchen equipment for your success, free delivery on orders above. Discover more today. Probably we would want to change these images that we have here. I think I should just download one. I think we head on here. Just take these and I can download it here. Then I can try to change these. Just a minute. We upload this image. Okay. I think it's this one. See, this is product image. So let's see what we'll have here. So for social media managers inside, I think you can see how it's easy to come up now with a social media post. You don't have to, to drag and drop in Canva and all that. I mean, I think it's 2026. I think some of these tools. Let's give it a few seconds here. See what will. It has picked the same design. I mean, of the product image, and it has just put it in my creative. So this is how it is easy now to produce content or even to come up with social media posts. It's easy. I mean, you don't have to learn how to, to navigate through Canva or even Adobe. And it's just you talking to the agent, and it gives you what you've told it you want. So I'll take it back to Joseph. I think then we can have answer some questions that probably don't have come up. So back to you, Joseph.
All right. Thank you, Lawrence. I've been answering the questions on the chat, but thank you for great presentation. I think the creatives were quite impressive, especially the images. Maybe just the question which is here. So the videos already limit in terms of length. And I also use this to make a product tutorial to say about 45 seconds long or even 1 minute. So for videos, so far it's 8 seconds. We are working on making them long. I think that should, I don't think next week will end before we actually roll out that. We know definitely 8 seconds is very small. But now you have to customize a lot of things for you to, if you check, even Veo gives 8 seconds. So they limit, because video generation is very heavy on the back end. So you have to find a way to make it generate, maintain quality, consistency. So yeah, video just gets a bit complex, but we are working on that. So hopefully by the end of the next week, you will have that one.
So Joseph, I think before I think I can add on that. For the video, let's say you want I don't know, like I don't have said I think 40 seconds. I think it's the first you just have to come up with a prompt, let's say for the first 8 seconds of your video. This is what you want, then it will give you that, then you'll have the next 8 seconds of your video, that's 16. You will have that part, then the next one, that's I think 24. Just like that, just starting afresh with the prompts for the different, let's say like scenes of your videos, then you can just combine the whole thing to have now a complete, let's say a 40 seconds video. Before now we roll out the long format of the video.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, there's a hack. That's a good hack, but definitely, we know we are all lazy. We don't want to do that, and the AI is just making us more and more lazy. So we want things to just pop. We just talk to it, and yeah. So yeah, I think that Benson, I hope that answers your also around video. We know there's a lot of other things we need to do. Can you edit the video just through talking to it? And all these things. So for the images, I think that's pretty good already. So for video, we know there is, but already depending on how good your prompt is, it can actually get you going. It can give you something nice. Of course, for things like ads, you don't need something long. I think you can be able to communicate within 8 seconds, but you need to be very punchy. You need to really know what you're doing. Let me pick another question. Does a platform support full SEO optimization? E.g., can I edit meta titles, meta description, URL slugs, image? Yeah, you just tell it. You just paste your SEO variables that you want. Tell it, I want you to add this meta description. Give it, and then it's gonna do the thing. Or you can tell it, add meta descriptions. It probably will do it, but you need to check if that works when you check the website. Did it got it? So yeah, but you just tell it, it's gonna do that on your behalf. So the thing is, you just tell it what you want. It's gonna do the magic. I've also answered a few other questions which have been asked, but maybe I hope you've been following on the chat, but maybe I can pick some of them just to answer loudly. So the pricing section, I've seen credit. So what does it? A credit basically means it's what the AI consumes to generate. So for example, an image consumes around 15 credits. So now you get the gist. So when you generate an image, you've consumed 15 credits. When you generate a landing page, you're consuming around 20 to 25 credits, around there. So it's credits give you the power to generate, so to say, but then they consume differently. A landing page consumes different amount of credits from what an image consumes, from what a video consumes, because, for example, a video is very intense, so it needs more credits. Yeah, and I hope that makes it clear, because I know the whole credits approach, I know it's new. It comes with AI. Do you help small businesses run ads or offer done with you? Yeah, we do that. We can help you run ads, definitely. That's services done with you. We do that. For us, we're very personalized in our approach. Even that's why we are doing webinars, because we want to not just build a platform, but make sure people are getting value. And if it means also helping you do some other services beyond the platform, we do that. We'll just need to agree on the damages on your side. I think I had answers quite a number of them on the chat. I don't know if there's new ones. How can we arrange that? Oscar, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Just type it here on chat. Just WhatsApp me on that number, and then we can see how we're gonna. So I think there's a question. My question is actually directed towards Robert. Did you use Ndovesha.ai on ECB? What a great website. Okay, Robert, that's your question.
Let me respond to Vincent. So basically, what I did with the ECB was a commerce-based website. So basically, I've used some AI in the website, basically when coming up with product descriptions, SEO, blogs, and everything that is incorporated in that website. So it's not actually Ndovesha, but Ndovesha came along, agreed to in doing SEO, product descriptions, the prompting part. Yeah.
Yeah, just maybe to clarify, and let me just share my screen very briefly. So, just share something. So, Ndovesha, how we reached here, maybe let me give us a small story. So when you come to this chart, you see prompt generator. So before we rolled out the agents, we had the prompts, because you see with AI, the biggest issue is normally prompting. Even as when you look at agent, it just makes it, we want to make it, when you tell it to give it basic instruction, we want to, the probability that gives you the correct thing when you use our agent is very high. So, but before that, we realized when we first empowered people to just generate prompts that could work well with general LLMs like ChatGPT or Gemini. And so here we have actually a lot of things, like from here you could even create product descriptions, what Robert is saying. I think there's somewhere. Let me see. So you see, yeah, you can generate prompts to create banners. Now we are bringing out this to the agent because we realize, again, filling a form so that it generates for you a prompt. Then you go to ChatGPT again. You get lost. Robert, where is the product? Here it is. So let me just open it. So you see, you need to add a lot of details here. But now, when it's an agent, it's you just need to write one sentence, and the agent figures out everything else. But if you were to go and to a general AI and tell it, I want a product, it probably will not. So what we did initially is we created a structured way of helping people create an instruction for the general AI. So you come here and say, what's the marketing angle? What's the rating style? What's the product category? You fill all these details, and then we help you structure the product description. So when you take these now to ChatGPT, it just gives you exactly what you want. And we had prompts for literally everything. I know some of us in this webinar have used them, and they're very good. Actually, they really give you something very nice with social media and all these, it's everything around marketing. But now we realize there was, again, it still wasn't solving it fully. So, and then we had to evolve to the AI agents now. And even how we came up with the prompts is, when we were doing marketing for our clients, there was just a lot of friction within the team on using AI, and we felt we weren't getting the most out of AI, and so we went ahead and solved for that problem. And I think it's a problem across a lot of teams that AI is this powerful thing, but getting the most out of it becomes a problem. So yeah, So I hope I was just adding on what Robert has said. So he used some of those capabilities. But of course, definitely we want to focus on the agent. So when you're there, you can go back to agents. You just click there, it takes you back. So agents is what we are focusing on, but prompt generators will be there if you just want to generate a prompt, which you can go use to the main LLMs. All right, Oscar, I'll answer just immediately after we finalize here. Any other question? Okay, escape to Giftland, you can go on.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
First, this is so impressive. So my question is, can I integrate like the M-Pesa and WhatsApp API? As much you're dealing with the agents. Now, you see now for like these websites, now to make it easy, because AI, like to make it easy on my end, can I integrate M-Pesa and then maybe later the WhatsApp API?
What do you mean by WhatsApp API? It's just so I understand a little bit.
Like, I don't know how to ask this question. Like you see, let me give you an example. You see, like you can check what site will I use? The Auto Express, the e-commerce sites. You're able you're able to click the WhatsApp icon, and then you're able to chat, you're able to book on your end. Like you don't have to contact the company directly. You get me? Yeah, and then you're able maybe to get, you see, like you checking on the Escape to Giftland, the Giftland site. On the far end, there's a place where you can get a quote, right? You can get a quote. In that, like I don't have to contact directly.
It can take somebody to, sorry for interrupting. So you mean it can take somebody to WhatsApp, and then the WhatsApp can answer the person. Now it will only escalate when it can, and then it can answer and then just do, you get more of a finalized lead that it just now they need these, we can send, they just need to pay, and all that, right? Okay, Dan, probably you can go first. You can answer.
I think you mentioned the payments. I mean, payments are out of the box for now, not yet. But of course, there is the category of sites which are more of like e-commerce. Will also be coming with, as dedicated agent rather for that, for e-commerce, where we are able to actually plug in payment, integrate payment wallets. For WhatsApp API, because now this one for WhatsApp API, because you really configure this one, you configure the API on the side, and now you bring in your the widget on the site. That one, once you set up the API configuration on the site, you can now bring in the it's usually basically it's like a script. You just bring it, you can give chat, and it will be able to integrate for you. So I think WhatsApp API, that one you can get going. But for payments, as I said, we will have a solution for e-commerce platforms specifically, because those ones now require now the real-time payment processing and checkout on the sites. I hope that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe just to add on the same, like for example, if you, you can add the call to action where when somebody clicks get a code, it takes them to WhatsApp. You just give it your WhatsApp business number there. It will configure that. That's pretty direct. Maybe, how we could do that is once now somebody lands on WhatsApp business, I know Meta provides a way you can add a few FAQs, and then, maybe you can I think that's probably a very quite a customer journey that it can do right now. That's quite basic. That's doable.
Yeah.
Maybe if you really want, because I know there are specifically chat AIs which now you can configure with WhatsApp, and then you now you configure even payment on that other side, and then I can check out on WhatsApp. Like it's purely now a WhatsApp AI chatbot that it can, but you still need to feed it your information, your business and the products and everything. But there are now solutions that handle that specifically. So it can still work, only that now you will need to configure another third party on your WhatsApp. So somebody will get from the landing page, gets their WhatsApp, and then it just chats them, but you've configured another solution. What we're trying to do futuristically is just to have all those things here where once you build a landing page, there's a capability where if you want to configure WhatsApp, you can just do it here. But I mean, there's a workaround. For services, I think this would be very good. Let's say you're selling PDFs, because now from the landing page, you can just add call to actions and it takes somebody to a checkout. Let's say you've configured your product on Paystack. It's very good now. Paystack gives you a link, you just tell it, the call to action will just take you to Paystack. So I think for services, it's very good. For e-commerce, that's what we're saying, that just needs its own engine that now we will be rolling out as we go. Because I think websites, I can categorize them. There's landing page, there's services, you're just displaying, and all of you want contacts. It's people when they come, they're able to see, to see the services, and then they can just call, the contacts are there. Well, there's the e-commerce, that's a major, and then you have full-blown websites where, yes, it's services or whatever, but you need a lead form, people can fill details, and then there's email you can send, there's just layers to it.
Yeah.
But I think for most SMEs in Kenya, I think a landing page with maybe somebody gets directed to WhatsApp. WhatsApp has become a major a customer journey channel avenue. I think that's probably much enough. When well done, I think it can be magical. So yeah, I think it's just also you understanding your customer journey and then seeing what other things you need to configure, and then you're just telling it, pick this link. When somebody clicks, pick them here. So I think there are workarounds to it even now, but we'll definitely be rolling out more specialized type of website. Probably, I think in January it's 3 or 4, but we'll see how that evolves. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. I don't think, do you have more questions? All right. I see we are 15 minutes past the hour, which I feel like it means the session was quite insightful. We can have parting shots from Robert, Lawrence, and Duncan. Robert?
Well, for me, I don't have something to talk. The session was a good session. I hope you people have learned something, and we will still have more sessions in the coming weeks, and probably we shall pick a topic from you people back in the channel. I'll keep interacting with you so that I can be able to know where the next topic will be coming from. Yeah.
Lawrence?
I think we've exhausted like everything, but just to say, I mean, AI is here to stay. AI is here to help us, increase our revenue for our businesses, make more money as social media managers. I mean, it's now time to, to scale and to, I mean, right now you can handle so many clients. Robert has said, I think everything is now being communicated in the channel. We'll keep you posted on anything that probably comes up, and go sign up to Ndovesha.ai. And yeah.
Duncan?
Yes, I think for me, it's I would say it's been very productive session for all of us, and I think everyone is able to actually pick something for their business. I mean, for even for your personal brand. I think what AI has come to do is just make us do a lot. Of course, in a very you're able to do a lot. I mean, without like for example, for websites, for landing pages. I know. I mean, it's been I've been around for more than 10 years, so I know how the such projects will go. You'll have to involving a designer, developer. Then you also have a hosting company separately. I mean, it was usually chaos, and actually most of the projects would never come to completion because of such many layers of resources. So right now, you can imagine you're just chatting the agent and you get your site live. So I mean, it's just a different era. So I believe all of us will be able to hold the train and we get to the next level together. So we'll see you in the next session, definitely.
All right. Thank you, everybody. Tell a friend about Ndovesha. And we're gonna see you next Thursday, same time. So see you. Bye bye.
Goodbye.